The Filipino antonyms malaki, which means big in English, and then maliit, which is small. Malaki, maliit. Malaki, maliit. Naghahanda sila para sa malaking handaan. They are preparing for a large feast or a celebration. Handa means prepare. So sila is they, para is for, malaki is big, handaan is a feast or a celebration. Naghahanda sila para sa malaking handaan. Ang mga bituin ay maliit tingnan mula rito, so the stars look tiny from here. Bituin is a star, mga is the plural marker, so mga between stars. Maliit is small, tingnan is like look, like if you like watch or view, mula from rito is here, so from here. Ang mga bituin ay maliit tingnan mula rito. May malaking responsibilidad ako ngayon. I have a great or a big responsibility now. May is has or have, malaki is big, responsibilidad is a responsibility. Ako is I, ngayon is now. May malaking responsibilidad ako ngayon. Maliit na tulong lang ang kailangan niya. He or she only needs little or small help. Maliit is small, and then tulong is help. Lang only, kailangan is need niya is his or her. It's gender neutral. Maliit na tulong lang ang kailangan niya. Maliit, it means small in English, and then malaki is big. Malaki, maliit. Malaki, maliit.